So the next branch of biology that we need to treat now is what? Is botany. So this botany, we can also call it what? Plant biology. We can also call it what? Plant what? Plant what? Biology. So it's the aspect of what? Of biology that they will study of what? Of plants, which is what? Botany. So you just deal with study of what? Of plants. And under botany, we also have sub branches on what? On botany. So in the botany, we have what we call what? A branch here called phycology. We can also call it what? Agology. This phycology, we can also call it what? Or logy, which is the study of algae. The aspect of biology that deal with study of what? Of algae is called phycology. And the next branch here is we have bryology. Bryology is the aspect of what? Biology that deal with study of bryophyta. Bryo what? Phyta. So it's the aspect of what? Of plant biology that deal with study of what? Of bryophyta. Like example of bryophyta, e.g. we have moss. Moss plants. Liverwort. Onwards. And the next one here is what? We also have another branch of plants or botany called plant ecology. This is a branch of botany that deal with what? The role of the plant in its environment. Or the ecology, plant ecology is interaction between the plant kingdom and its what? And its environment. And the next aspect here, you can also have what we call what? Plant genetics. So the plant genetic is the aspect of what? Of plant biology that deal with what? The study of variation and heredity that take place in what? In the plant kingdom. That's the plant what? Genetics. And under this again, we can also have what we call plant anatomy. We are talking of plant what? Anatomy is aspect of what? Of plants that deal with study of internal structure of what? Of plants. When anatomy means what? The study of internal structure of what? Of plants. But if we are studying this marker anatomy now, we are studying the what? The study of internal component of what? Of this marker. If you are studying the what? Animal anatomy, the study of what? Internal structure of what? Of animal. So the plant anatomy is the branch of what? Of plant that deal with study of what? Internal structure we have in what? In plants. So as what? We are talking about what? The parenchyma, vascular body we have in what? In plants. The next one is what? We also have what we call plant morphology. Plant what? Morphology. So the plant morphology is the study of outward or physical appearance in living organism. The study of what? The physical appearance in my body, we call it what? Animal, and now what? Animal morphology. So the word morphology means what? The outward thing that you can see with your naked eyes. So the plant morphology is the study of what? Of internal structure of a what? Of a plant. But plant anatomy is the study of internal structure. What do you have inside the what? The plant. That's what? Plant anatomy. Plant morphology are what? The study of what? Of external feature of what? Of plant, like leaf, root, and stem. Their outside property. So the next one is what? We have what we call plant physiology. We have what we call what? Plant physiology. Now the last one is what? Zoology. So this is the aspect of the biology that deal with what? The study of animal. And the zoology also divided into what? Into several branches. So the first one here for zoology, can say we have under zoology, we have what we call cytology. Cytology. If you look at the word cyto, cyto means what? Cell. Anywhere you see the word cyto in Greek, stand for what? Cell. If you come back here, if I say we have cytoplasm, the plasm here means what? Body. And cell here means what? Cyto here means what? Cell. So the cytoplasm means what? Cell what? Cell body. Or in case of what? If we have cytology. So I say cyto here means what? Cell. Logy means what? Study. So anywhere you see the word cyto, simply means what? Cell. So the cytology is a branch of what? Of biology that deal with study of what? Of cell. And the next one we have here is what? We have what we call histology. We have what we call what? Histology. And back to the what? The syntax in Greek. The word histo. Histo means what? Tissue. That means what? Histo. So the histo here means what? Tissue. Logy means what? To study. Therefore, what is the meaning of what? Of histology? The aspect of biology that deal with what? The study of what? Of tissue. But histo what? Histology. And the next one we have here, we have embryology. So embryology is the aspect of biology that deal with what? The study of what? Of embryo. And the next one is we also have what we call enzymology. The embryo here means from what embryo? Enzyme, biological catalyst, which alter the rate of chemical what? Reaction. So the enzymology is the branch of what? Of biology that deal with study of what? Enzyme. So the next one is what? We have under this evolution. We have what? Evolution is a branch of biology or is a branch of what? Of zoology or botany that deal with what? The study of what? Of origin of what? Of life. That's what? Evolution. And we also have what? Animal genetics. Animal what? Genetic, like the one you have in plants, is a branch of animal biology that deal with the study of what? Of variation and heredity that is occur in all animal. This emetology derived from the word emit is the study of what? Of worm. The study of what? Of worm, like tape what? Tape what? Tapeworm. I said what? This emetology is the study of tapeworm and what? And random study of worms. And we also have what? Ornithology. Ontology is the study of bird. The study of bird is called what? Ontology. And you also have what? Nidiology. This was Nidaria from the word Cnidaria is the aspect of the word of biology that deal with what? The study of what? Of coelentrates. Coelentrates or Nidaria. And we also have what? Mammalogy. Let me put it there. Mammalogy Mammalogy is the aspect of biology that deal with what? Study of what? Of mammal. And let me add this last thing in the air. Anatomy, morphology, and physiology. We also have it in what? In animal. We also have what? Ecology in animal. We also have evolution in what? In plants. So let me add the last three there, which is what? We have animal what? Anatomy. We have animal anatomy. We have animal physiology. And the last one, what do we have? We have animal morphology. Animal what? Morphology. So these are the what? The branches of what? Of biology. So the next thing that we need to what? To look into is characteristics of what? Of living organism. I said the biology is aspect of science that deal with study of what? Of living organism. And I said the matter Anything that has mass and occupies space are called matter. So matter can be grouped into two parts. We have living matters and non-living matter. So this living matter, they are also called living organisms or living things. This non-living matter, they are also called non-living things. So the aspect of what? Of science that deal with study of what? Non-living matter, component of living matter, non-living matter, structure of non-living matter, properties of non-living matter is called chemistry. For the aspect of science that have interest in what? In living matter, both micro, plants, and animal is called biology. But how are we going to differentiate between the matter that have life and matter who does not have life? That leads us to the what? The characteristics of what? Of living organism.